Our children aged 5 to 11 will be able to get their COVID vaccination shots from Monday, and parents can start booking their children's jabs from tomorrow. The program is kicking off with the expected arrival of the first shipment of paediatric doses to Singapore. Tang Si-hui with this report.
This happened exactly a year ago. The first shipment of COVID-19 vaccines to arrive here. And on Wednesday, Singapore is expecting its first shipment of pediatric doses of the Pfizer-BioNTech Comirnaty vaccine. They'll be rolling out to 300,000 children under 12, who are currently the largest unvaccinated group in Singapore. So far, among the older cohort, 94% of students between 12 and 19 have completed their vaccination regimen. Authorities are looking to vaccinations to reduce the risk of children getting seriously ill if they're infected.
Many parents have been concerned about the disruption to school activities as a result of the pandemic. As more of our children get vaccinated, we'll be able to resume more activities, sports and games, which are critical to their holistic development and well-being.
Registration opens from Wednesday to those aged 9 to 11 first. The Education Ministry will send an SMS invitation with a unique link to parents to book an appointment. Those with children studying outside of MOE primary schools and madrasas can register their interest on the National Appointment System from 27th December. Parental or guardian consent is required to book an appointment, and all children must be accompanied by one parent on the day of vaccination. The remaining children aged 5 to 8 will then be invited to register for their jabs in early January. The vaccination program kicks off at 7 centres from Monday. These include community clubs in areas such as Nee Soon and Pasir Ris. Another 7 centres will open the following week in areas like Clementi and Queenstown. An additional centre within Yusof Ishak Secondary will also be set up by 11 January for those living in the Punggol and Sengkang areas.
We will also look out for those who require greater support, such as children with special needs. This includes working with MOH to deploy mobile vaccination teams to MOE special education schools. Vaccination, together with safe management measures and good personal hygiene, will strengthen our suite of measures to protect our children.
The Education Ministry cautions that unvaccinated children may not be allowed to take part in high-risk activities, such as sports involving large groups of children of up to 10. Pilots for such scenarios are still being conducted. But authorities say there are no further plans for vaccination differentiated measures in schools at this point.